So when you got this, need something like this, but you come and you look at these, and you just don't have it. So I'm actually going to be using this wire right here. And since it comes out better, I believe, I'm going to remove this and both ends of this. So find copper pipe. That is, pretty close. See? You don't want it to be a hot dog going down the hallway. Alright, so now we're going to start with this end right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to circumcise the tip. Me, say probably about 1/2 inch. Slice down the tip. So, okay, so that's ready. Now to the idea. The idea is you want that much. You want the pipe to go up to the rubber. So say what, 2 inches? This isn't brain science. Put it in the vise so it's just tight enough to hold the pipe without flying everywhere. Okay. Now I got this, and you can see there's burrs and whatnot. Give her a quick little vigorous penetration. See, I've done that a few times, huh? Flat file. If you got a grinder, handle your business. I got one. But since I'm recording this with my phone leaning up against a spray can, I'm not going to really go to the grinder. So now you got this. This is what I got here. These are my connectors. I don't have one that fits. I'm going to switch this out. Put it about halfway in. And we'll tighten this the whole way down. Who was it? Archimedes or something? Said, give me a lever large enough and I'll move the world. So, if you need to, use a cheater board. Now I got this. Okay. I'm going to flip this around like so. Tighten it just to where it starts to bend the pipe again. Get my drill bit. Get in there. Tight enough. Come over here, center it on the part you just flattened. See, I should do it a little tighter. So I stepped it up with that, and yeah, this is hot. So if you need to, wear gloves. If you're worried about scratching the surface, well, I guess you should take your self to Lowe's or something. Home Depot maybe. No, not sponsored or nothing like that. Nowhere near professional. This is a quick hillbilly fix. Okay, so now the wire that we have circumcised, and you can see I bent it a little bit, which is fine because it actually helps in the long run. Get this wire, all that goodness in there. Let's see, mine actually lined up pretty well. Now I'm gonna get this. Let's go on that side of the wire. Now, this is an 8mm Honda nut. So what I'm going to do with this is, on that spot I flattened, I'm going to place this nut in the middle, like so. The other way is, you could do it, you put it sideways, but I'm not really that worried. It's a lot of wire getting pressed in there. I'm going to give her hell. Get her lined up in there is the best way to center. Make sure the wire, you're holding the wire in there while you tighten this. Now you see how that nut's pressed up in there. Okay. So now, without me explaining, I'm gonna see about doing this other side. Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh brand, love them. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by nobody. This is just, backyard hackery, garage wizardry. To the right people, this is impressive. It's people that know how to do it better. This is stupid. I get it. So, there you go again. Do this again. Got a little too excited. From this to that. When you can't have this, well, I think this is better anyways. So, let's go. So this is what I'm using it for. There's the starter. Now it's time to clean up that wire. So that's the end result. Hope y'all enjoy. Maybe it might get your ass out of a pickle. So take it easy.